Hello everyone, welcome to JAR channel again. Today we are going to share with you what to cook for tomorrow. Do you like soup? Regularly boil a pot of Chinese soup normally takes around 2 to 3 hours. Let us share with you an easy and convenient and only take 20 minutes to prepare Sibao bell diced fresh bean curd sheet seaweed soup. Hope you will like it too. For ingredients, you can get it at the end of our video. We'll be using the entire pack of bell diced fresh bean curd sheet today. Easy to buy from Park Inn and some large wet market. After opening the package, place it in a bowl and adding boiling water to remove excess oil. Drain it and set aside for later use. And also wash the various balls and prepare for later use. So good that the seaweed we bought this time has no sand, so we could use water to soak it only. If you're not sure, toast it without oil for a while to remove the sand. Then soak it with water will remove the sand easier. As there were no sand at the bottom, so we just soak for a while and drain it. Prepare a soup pot, then add the bowl of chicken stock and 2 bowls of water. After the water has boiled, add the various balls to the pot, and then the bell diced fresh bean curd sheet. After that, boil it for 5 minutes. And add some salt, pepper, and sesame oil. Lastly, add the seaweed and boil for another 5 minutes. Garnish with some green scallions and you are ready to go. Not only convenience and inexpensive Chinese soup for busy family, also seaweed is good for health too. If you also like this Sibao bell diced fresh bean curd sheet seaweed soup, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell next to it and you'll receive our next video at once. Thank you again for watching this video. We'll share with you next time what to cook for tomorrow. See you again and have a nice day.